Wall Street just threw a party and almost everything on the board turned green. But the real question is, what lit the fuse? Let's break it down. The S&P 500 surged over 1%, closing at 7,432. The Nasdaq, even better, up 1.5%, blasting past 26,270. And the Dow Jones, buckle up. It crossed 50,000 for the first time, landing at 50,009. That is a historic number, folks. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury Yield dropped over 2% to 4.57. That's a big deal. And I'll tell you exactly why in a second. So what caused this massive rally? 2 words: Iran hopes. President Trump announced that negotiations with Iran are in their final stages. The moment that headline hit, crude oil prices nosedived. And when oil drops, it's like a pressure valve releasing across the entire economy. Lower energy costs, lower inflation expectations, and that pulled Treasury yields down hard. When yields fall, stocks love it. Borrowing gets cheaper. Growth stocks look more attractive. And that's exactly why the Nasdaq led the charge today. But here's the kicker. Nvidia just dropped its earnings report, and the stock actually fell after hours despite soaring results. Classic Wall Street. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Jensen Huang and his team delivered monster numbers, but the bar was already sky high. Stocks like Astera Labs, Micron, and Intel all moved big on the Nvidia ripple effect. The entire semiconductor ecosystem was in play. Now think about it. We've got oil crashing on geopolitical optimism. We've got yields sinking. We've got AI earnings still putting up jaw-dropping growth. That's a triple tailwind for equities. But let's not get too comfortable. Market sentiment sits at about 61 out of 100. That's solidly in greed territory. Not extreme greed, but we're leaning into euphoria. Unemployment is at 4.3%. The yield curve is normal. No recession alarm bells ringing. But greed has a way of making people forget about risk. And there's a wild card simmering in the background. Iran isn't just negotiating. Reuters is reporting that Iran is consolidating control over the Strait of Hormuz, setting up checkpoints, cutting diplomatic deals, and even charging fees. That strait handles roughly 20% of the world's oil supply. If talks collapse, that oil price could snap right back up. And so could yields, and so could volatility. So what's the bottom line? Today was a great day for your portfolio, but the forces driving this rally, geopolitics and AI hype, are the 2 most unpredictable forces on Earth. Enjoy the green, but stay sharp. If this breakdown helped you make sense of the market, smash that subscribe button so you never miss a daily briefing.